It's a validation for our company and for the Davidson School of Chemical Engineering at Purdue. And for the state of Indiana, FiberX is creating a brand new industry for the state, harnessing the engineering talent in the state, along with the hard work of Indiana's farmers. And we believe that there is a tremendous opportunity to create a new industry where we will use residue off of corn and other farms in the future to reduce or replace the use of petroleum to make chemical products for the world. I think that the initiatives across the state to harness the tremendous work that's being done in research and academia and being able to leverage that with the corporate and talent assets in the state, I think it's a great time in Indiana to start a company. We started this company up in Hammond originally, but we are now operating in Maryville, Windfall, and West Lafayette, and we intend to expand that footprint over time. And it can only be done with the resources of the state behind us. Two things. We have secured our first major client. It is one of the leaders in artificial athletic surfaces, and they are now putting our fiber into the pellets that go on to athletic fields to make them safer, better for performance, better in terms of environmental use of those fields, and maintain cost of goods. At the same time, in our biorefinery capabilities, we have recently developed a bioepoxy that combines a lignin from corn stover with soy oil. And to be able to introduce a new epoxy that's not only bio-based, but is better than the existing epoxies on the market is a really exciting thing for us to do.